Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back once again. I'm here to help you out in a spoken English or Seco English. Yes, so I have a template script and once again I'm here to help you out. So some questions are there of science that I will talk. तो मैं साइंस अभी पढ़ाने वाला हूँ नहीं, मैं अभी आपको सीखो ही पढ़ाऊंगा. This one done some ascorbic acids are there or dehydrations, longest proportions of large intestines, colon, vitamin D, K, and then rickets are there. Okay, we are now going to talk about these are the things that in science. जो साइंस में सर मैं भी करने वाला हूँ नहीं, मैं अभी आपको इंग्लिश सीखो इंग्लिश का सीरीज पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. Yes, I have discussed last time that about simple present tense. Yes. Well, then today we have one more and very useful concept. About what? Simple past. सीखो इंग्लिश सीरीज. सीखो इंग्लिश. Yes. तो इसके सीरीज में भी हम हैं. So now thing is that now today we have based and what can we say that very confusing thing is there in that simple past tense. Simple past tense में बच्चों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. Many children pass me comment pass me about or tell me that sir I have a lot of confusion in simple past tense. So no worry, something is there which will help you in removing out your committing mistake that you are committing here in that. Now she committing mistake. गलती करना को हम कहते हैं committing mistake. Commit means commit होता है. Commit mistakes. अब commit suicide. Suicide करना. कभी suicide किया. Suicide commit suicide. Yes. So committing mistake, commit mistakes. Okay. अब इसी को हटाना तो इसके तो omit. Omit means erase करना, मिटाना, omit करना, गलती को हटा देना. Yes. तो वो सब चीजें डिस्कस करने वाले हैं नहीं. The thing is that now some basic concept of simple past tense. Nothing like that. That common thing that we can say that identification of that simple past tense is what? या, a, e, etc. Now apart from that, sir, if we wish to add something more, you can say था, थी, थे. That also impacting that only. ये भी इसी का impact है. Yes. Now simple past that means that something has been done but its effect is right now also. कि कोई चीजें हो गया है but right now अभी भी उसका effect है. That is called simple past tense. Yes. Now how it is? Like for example, if I say I ate bananas. I ate banana. मैं केला खाया. That means खाया. अभी भी उसका इफेक्ट है. That means right now also. Yes. The thing has been taken in past. Past में चीजें हुआ है, but impact that is right now also. So this is very common thing. Now some techniques are there where the things are treated in simple past tense. For example, if it is somewhere yesterday, 1 day ago, or 2 days ago, a day ago. Yes, if it is day before yesterday, day before yesterday, last time, last day, last year, and all the incident that has taken place in the past are treated in simple past tense. Now see, when something or when the in the sentence that is given yesterday, day ago, day before yesterday, last day, last time, last year, or when date is mentioned there, that 1947, 1914, 2012, anything else where date is mentioned, that is showing to the simple past tense. For example, if I tell you मैं कल खाया, yes, तो I ate yesterday. But you have to keep in mind yesterday what is there? If somebody tells you I have eaten yesterday, I have eaten yesterday, तो ये सेंटेंस आपका पूरे रॉन्ग है. यस, किसी भी तरह से करेक्ट नहीं है, बिकॉज सिंस yesterday is there, yesterday that will not take any other tense, it will take only simple past tense. जब भी आपके पास yesterday आए, day before yesterday आए, last day आए, last time आए, you have to use their simple past tense. Apply there. This is incorrect. More example if I give that the World War first broke out in 1914. That second World War जो था, और सॉरी फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर जो था, that broke out in 1914. फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर 1914 में broke out हो गया, अचानक से शुरू हो गया. So this is also treated in simple past tense. If I tell you more example, that last night I went to a cinema hall. Last night I went to a cinema hall. कल मैंने मूवी देखा सिनेमा हॉल में जाके. Yes, so think that last night is there, yesterday is there, date is there. When these type of sentences are given there, you have to just translate into simple past tense. No worry, the sentence is sounding something else, even you have to solve it that sense also. Thank you, and next day I'll come with something new and interesting. That's all. Have a good day.